lot 62, Waterford subdivision. We've got 1.1 acres, 149 feet of waterfront, and they've already applied for a dock. It's 26 by 28 with a 30-foot ramp, and you'll see when we get down there, I'll kind of point out where that would be. And again, we've got a large lot, got plenty of privacy. All the houses that are going to be built on the adjacent lots are already in place. As you can see behind me, we've got a nice mixture of trees, and got the slope that you would utilize for a basement style home. Again, Waterford, great subdivision, crescent community. Most of the lots in here have been developed, as you can see as we look around, so it's hard to find certainly a waterfront piece of property available in here. And when you're only 15 minutes from Clemson, 15 minutes from Seneca, and 45 minutes to 50 minutes from downtown Greenville, so you got a great location. Let's head on to the build site, check it out, and we'll get down to the water. Start down where I think the back of the house should be, right in this area. And again, you look to the right and you see another house being built on the lot on this side. You got this nice lower area in there. It's a nice buffer between you. You see where the house is over here. And again, it's going to give you just a great feel in here. I think from the back of the house, make you some steps down. The dock is going to be to the far left of the property. We have marked the lot lines extremely well clear with the pink tape. And as you can see, the entire lot has been underbrushed. So it's very easy to get in here and see what you have. And a lot of woods on that back side, which is going to be nice as well. All right, let's head down to the water, check out exactly where this dock is going to be positioned. Here we are down at the water. What we've applied for is a 30-foot ramp going off right here. Out, and again, a U-shaped covered dock, a 26 by 28. Got plenty of depth here, plenty of distance between the two adjacent properties, so I really don't see an issue with getting that approved, and hopefully we should have that by the second week or first week of November. And again, you can see the pink tape. The lot goes all the way back into the cove where you have some sand, and then again you can follow the lot lines going up the property. Again, over an acre, so you got over a football field size piece of land here, and it's going to give you privacy and a lot of beautiful area to work with, and a very nice quiet cove for swimming and just relaxing. If you've got any interest, give us a call at 800-982-682-9098, 1-800-682-9098. Enjoy the aerial video, and this will help you understand exactly where we are.
Thank you.